Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. I am going to do 24th September to 30th September. That's the end of the month. So this next 7 days, sorry for fidgeting, and that's what I always do. I'm sorry, I'm just getting comfortable. So let's see what are the messages for you. Remember guys, this is a general reading, might or might not resonate. Not all messages might resonate. So that's what I always say before I start a reading. And for people who are new to my channel, welcome to Tam Predicts. I am a psychic tarot reader. I'm going to say intuitive tarot reader. I'm a psychic, I'm a clairvoyant, I'm a medium, and I read my cards intuitively. I give channel messages. I'm guided by my spirit guides, my archangels, and my ascended masters. I work with all these and give you channel messages. So let's see what are the messages for you. This is for the coming 7 days, and I'll do a card each for every day, which I always forget the number, but I'm going to keep one card each for every day, and let's see what are the messages. I'm going to use my Earth Oracle deck. I really wanted to use this deck. I do not know why. Whenever, I really searched for it, and I wanted to take this one in this reading. So like I always say, the deck's almost, it's like they're calling to me. So let's clear the energies and let's start. What's the first card? 7 days. What's going to happen? What's coming towards you? Let's start the reading. Not believing in earth's magic, not connecting to nature, not getting grounded, not having your feet on the ground, feeling very flighty in thoughts, uh, feeling easily distracted. That's what's going to come to you. I think you already are distracted, and I think it's just not now, but yeah, you have been distracted. It's like uh, not getting your thoughts right, or you start something, you get distracted, and you pull away. This is definitely, and at the end of the deck, I got strength. So you need the strength, or probably you're very distracted, or probably you're giving up on something because there is still a mountain to climb. I feel next 7 days. I mean, this is the last hurdle. I do not know why, but I get this message. If you've been facing a lot of challenges, this is the last one. This is the last hurdle. Sorry, there's a flash of light. I think the way I'm saying today. So this is the last challenge for you right now, and please keep your power mode on. You got to do this because this is the last challenge, and you'll do well. I feel September is going to be very breezy for you. It's going to be fantastic, and I feel October you're going to have a new beginning. So whatever difficulties you had in this month, they should end now, and it's going to be much better. That's what I feel. Also release all the tension, the negative energy. There's a lot of things to release right now. That's how probably you're going to feel better, because unless you release what doesn't belong or is not really suited in your life, this doesn't belong in your life. I get the words, you got to cut it. Whatever connection it is right now, you got to cut it, because uh, it's kind of releasing it. I also get, when you sit down and take a breath, you breathe in and breathe out. So you definitely have to do that, because it's like I feel your mind is racing so much, and there's no clarity of thought. Maybe that's why you need to sit down and get clear answers, because September you got to end, all the confusion, or if you're caught in a web and you do not know how to, what is your way out. That's, you got to clear everything right now, and you're also getting a chance from God. I do not know why am I saying this. This is more of a channel message. You're getting the chance to clear everything out. Could be, clearing things out between two people, but this is God is giving you some kind of an opportunity to clear something, is what I get. This is what you've not been doing. Remember, I said breathe. I actually want to say breath, then I went to breathe. This is exactly you haven't been doing. I'm not going to say this is the future or, coming 7 days, but exactly you haven't been doing this. You got to breathe a little, guys. I feel this is your very present. This is what happened today. This is a very present moment, and you got to be a little more relaxed. Okay, that's another word I was looking for, relaxed. So go by your instinct. A lot of mountains. I do not know. Are you ready? Are you an earth sign? Probably listening to a lot of earth signs are listening to this. You love nature, or you like being around mountains. Are you building a house around mountains? That's another thing I got. I got the word cottage. I got the word log house. Something to do with that, or did you just check in into a cottage or a log house or something? I do not know. I've just got those words. But this is definitely, you got to climb this mountain, because I feel September there is just one challenge left. You've done it all. That's the only thing left right now for you to clear and be victorious. Be victorious. because I feel you're not going to give up. I do not know why, but I get this channel message. Whatever happens, you will not give up. You have to clear this. You have to, just finish what you started. Is another okay. That's another channel message I get. Please finish what you started. It doesn't matter how challenging it is right now because things are going to settle. Look at this. The woman said things are going to settle, and I got a rainbow. So things are going to be beautiful the next 7 days. You're going to. They're blessings, you know. Whatever you wanted to, whatever you worked hard for, it's not that you do not do anything, you're lazy, and you think God will bless you with everything. It's not going to happen. You got to work, okay? So if you've been working very hard and if you've been wanting results, could be a relationship, could be a job, could be anything, you know, anything that you want, finances, better family ties. That's what I get. If you wanted a house, a car, I feel there are blessings, you know. I want to say this because that's a channel message, because God will show you the way. I think I said it before also, but another way. So when psychics repeat something again and again, we are asked to repeat it, and we say it in so many different ways, but we just want to say that God is making a way for you, and everything will be cleared. You know, He's Himself making ways for you, and you'll suddenly find things getting so easy for you. And this has come for the second time. You got to release whatever negativity. Maybe if you release negativity, if you think positive about the situation, you'll get positive results. That's what I think. I think that's a beautiful thought. You know, just release what doesn't belong in your life. Just work for the positive, and your outcome is also going to be beautiful. This is what I see. You know, I get a lot of red energy. While I'm talking, so red is like, passion and a lot of energy and vivaciousness. Those are the words that I get. You know, I also get the word warning. So I don't know what warning you should be careful of some warning. Okay, if you don't drive at a very top speed or something, just be careful. The other channel message that I get is stay within the speed limits. That's also very important. So don't cross the speed limit. Maybe that's a warning for you. You know, you being speeding, or you've not been taking care of driving well within the speed limits. Let's see what are the other messages for you. I'm using another deck. What are the messages? I see hard work. Hard work being well recognized. You get paid for the hard work you've done, but this is definitely all your hard work bearing fruit. I really get that. A lot of movement in October. I told you October is going to be good. So 7 days ending, October is going to begin. There is a lot of movement. Get prepared for it. So whatever you want to do, meditate, be lazy, whatever you want to do, okay, your challenges, whatever, just complete that chapter. The message that I get is complete a chapter, because I feel October is going to bring you a lot of new beginnings, and that's beautiful. So get ready for October. Also, get you're not going to go down. You're not going to take a trip down the memory lane. That's another, another message that I get. Also, I'm getting a lot of channel messages today. Maybe that's why almost wanted to do a video. Though I was very tired from work and I've been talking since morning. But I was like, no, I have to do this video today. I also feel that chapter is closed. Maybe that's why they're new beginnings. You've closed that chapter. You want to close that chapter. That's ended. Could be for anything. Probably could have left a job, or you could have you were done with something, but that chapter is gone, closed with. It doesn't bother you anymore. It will not bother you anymore. Next 7 days you won't even probably think about it. So I do not get you dragging the old energies and bringing to the present or anything. That's what I do not get. I have to pick it up. I am sorry, guys. I always do that. Let's see what are the other messages for you. I'm going to clear the energies of this deck. It's been flying off. One of you is not going to be very happy with the job offer you're getting now. Though you're going to get a lot of offers. I get more than 3. I do not know why, but I get more than 3. You're not happy with what you're getting. If you're not really happy with the job offers you're getting, and you want to change your job, I want you to wait another 10-12 days. That's the message that I'm getting. 10-12 days. See, I got this card at the end of the deck. I just saw it. I shuffled it. And this is like October is going to be a good beginning, because I think these next 7 days you might refuse a job offer. You're not very happy about an offer being made to you. You do not think it kind of suits you. That's another message that I get. This job doesn't suit me is what I get. See, this also came. This is trip down the memory lane. This you've been doing. I do not think you're going to go in the past. You've given up the past, and these are happy new beginnings. Probably a new home, marriage, celebrations. Look at this, beautiful cards, one after the other. This is celebration, new beginnings. Everything, turning into going, in your favor. That's another message that I get. So you do not have to worry. I get, do not lose your power over something. I feel either you were very dominating, or you were very happy in a position you were, but somebody tried to dislodge you from that chair, or something happened, and you like something happened. You've lost that power. You had over someone. I do not know why, but this is a message that I'm getting. It's like somebody's taken your chair or taken your power in an office, or in an office I get, or probably if you're a partner, you're not getting the right deal is what I get. You're not really happy with that. Let's see what are the love messages for you guys. Spontaneity. So you're not really, not really spontaneous in love. It's like, it's overthinking in love. That's a message that I get. Overthinking, intellectualizing things, trying to read in between the lines too much, even when there is nothing. I also want to say, do not believe in what you see. That's another message that I get. So if you're seeing something, do not just, sometimes even when we see something, it's not right. Though we always say believe our eyes, unless I see it, I won't believe it. But sometimes even what you see is, you shouldn't believe it. I do not know why am I saying this. Could be a message for one of you. Might be important, in your love life. Look at this. Gratitude also coming reversed. So really not thankful to your partner, or what I get is somebody's not, really thankful to whatever you've done, and that's a grudge. I get the word grudge. You're holding a grudge. I think you let go of that, because remember I said September is a time when you do not have to carry anything negative, because you have to move forward. So whatever you want to give up, whatever grudges, anything that you have, just do it. Clear the energies in September, because I really feel October is going to be a beautiful beginning for you, and you should get more ready for that, instead of just being being here where people probably do not show any gratitude to you, or they're not giving you the credit for what you do. This is what I get. See, unity. So for this, I think it could be one person I'm talking to, because maybe I'm drawing on your energies. Somebody wasn't really thankful to you, and that's what the whole charm about the relationship, it was thrown out of the window, and there's no unity, probably you feel you both do not belong together, because, you do not take a decision together, one person. That's what probably, is it you, who's getting dominated? Remember I said I feel somebody's, getting displaced from their place. So is it in the relationship? The other person doesn't let you do anything. Accept the situation. I do not know what's written here. I'm just saying it because I read the word. Accept the situation. You're not accepting it also. That's my problem. You kind of not accepting that there is something wrong in the relationship, which is not fine. You got to accept it and move on, or do something about it. Because September, you're getting a big chance to wipe the slate clean, and just rewrite your own journey, rewrite a new chapter. That's the visual again and again I'm getting is writing a new book, writing a new chapter of your life. It's like starting again. Okay, that's another message that I get. You restarting something. You have to start again. That's what I feel. Feather is also good luck. I feel whenever you see a feather, always think that an angel is close to you, your answers are close to you. That's what probably the feather is come, that you will find your way, you will find your answers. Just believe in somebody up there who's more powerful. That's all. I do not know who do you believe in, which God do you believe in. So you could be religious, spiritual, whatever. But I really feel things are going to be fine. And I also feel you're going to spot a white feather. I also saw a dove in my mind, like when I was talking to you. There's the visual of a dove. Prosperity, yes. I've been seeing 555, and I'm telling you guys, these 7 days, the whole of September or whatever's gone by, no matter how hard you worked, it's going to pay off. That's what I feel. Whatever you've done, the hard work, you worked I cannot say that word. You really worked off. But yes, see wishes. Just wish for anything. You will get it. You really worked hard. This is really nice. So a lot of things coming your way, a lot of money coming your way suddenly, even if your money was stuck, that's going to get cleared. So I'm getting a lot of clearing. That's what I feel, clearing of auras. um, clearing of negativity. Let's see one more card here. Queen of the Unicorn. So feel like a queen. You'll be blessed with love, compassion, and wisdom. I saw the wisdom card here also. So probably you are very wise. Very mature. The way you deal with people, the way you deal with situations, or probably this situation you are in will require a lot of maturity from your side. And I'm sure you're going to deal with the situation with maturity. And you're going to surprise a lot of people. You're going to surprise yourself. That's another channel message that I get. I do not know how you normally react in a situation, but in this situation you will just react so differently that people are not seeing you react. They're not used to seeing you react this way. So that's kind of going to be a surprise. That's a message that I get. So like I promised, one card for every day starting from 24th. I'm going to use the Energy Deck Oracle. I'm just taking that out. I'm sorry, I think the fan is on. It might disturb you. It's very hot here. I forgot to switch on the AC. 7 cards. I'm going to clear the deck. I don't know why I wanted to clear the deck today. This almost jumped in my hand for 27, 24. I don't want to take this. I don't want to start with that. Let me see if it comes back in my hand, then I'll take it. 24, 24, 24th. First day. Yeah, anxiety is going to be over soon. Whatever problems you had, whatever challenges you had are going to be over, and you are going to be like all that fun-loving and not much to worry about. A lot of responsibilities and weight lifted off your shoulders. So that's what I get. You're going to get a good night's sleep also for the next, not 7 days. I wish you always get a good night's sleep. But if you've been losing sleep over something, that's going to be fine. You're not going to worry about little tiny things. I don't know what I get, but I get, worrying about very small things, not even, worthy of being worried about. So just don't worry about anything. In 7 days, it's going to be beautiful. Just be careful about your money the next 7 days. I get you spending something on the wrong thing. I do not know why I get it. So if you're going to buy a gadget or something, just do your homework, just Google it or whatever, ask your friends, but do your homework while buying something. And I get especially a gadget. So just be careful on the 25th when you're buying something. A card for the 26th. Card for 26th means very clear communication. That's what I feel. You got to talk. You got to clear your throat chakra. You got to clear things out. Remember I said clear. And I'm repeating it. If I'm repeating a lot of things again and again, this is, from the angels. So you got to clear something with someone. You don't need to blow your own trumpet. That's another word that I get. You'll also be very clear in your thoughts and how you put things across, with your words and wisdom. Okay, so you want to be very clear. So 24th, 25th, 26th, we are done. I'll always forget otherwise. 27th, you're going to break free from something. See, you're not changed. This is reverse, not tied up. Setting yourself free. That's the message that I get. This is nice. Feeling happy, setting yourself free, releasing yourself, not tied with ropes. Somebody else also cannot tie you down is what I get. It's like you're not going to listen to someone, and that's important. You got to make your own decision. That's another message I get. So 24, 25, 26, 27. Let's go to 28. Like I always forget. Wow, prosperity. Door to personal healing and happiness. You're going to be happy. It's going to be fine. '28th is nice. It's beautiful. I can see the rainbow also there. I think we got a rainbow second time. Also see doves. Remember I said doves. I do not know. There's a flash here. If you can see that doves flying. God, I can't show you because I think the light is too much. But there are doves there. So there's peace all over. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Let's go to 29. 2 cards there. I saw lotus also. Lotus flowers. I saw a peacock. Did you see a peacock? I saw a peacock here and I never noticed that in the card. And I notice new things, every time. 29th, 29th, 29th. 29th, do not be dejected. Remember I said things will happen, the last mountain is there, whatever, you climb, challenges, blah, 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 blah. You'll feel a little bit down on the 29th. Do not do that, Do not get into your head that you cannot do it, okay? Do not, I feel, kind of feeling low on energy. I feel 29th is going to be, something is ending. You kind of sad that something is ending. 29th is going to bring you a little down. I do not know why. Let's see how the month ends. This card almost jumped in my hand. Yeah, I'm going to take this card. It came in my hand and this is reversed. So no storms, no nothing. Happiness all the way. Look at this. All storms have passed. Why do you need to worry? I told you this is fine. Everything's going to be fine because I feel 10 from October. I'm going to take 10 as October. Things are going to be fine. 30th is beautiful. So thank you so much. I got to get back to my work. Thanks for being here. Thanks for listening to me. And I'm going to upload a new video very soon. Thank you guys. See you soon. God bless you. And if you want to be a member, you can be a member. I do member-only videos. And I usually go live also. I do subscribe to my channel so you know when I'm going live. Please do like the video if you love the messages, or if you like any of the messages and they did resonate, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.